Caring about your customers is a crucial part of growing a successful business. Customers have needs and steps that they go through that convinces them to buy your products. If you spend time and money promoting your products or services, but you're still not selling as much as you would like, it is because your promotion is not meeting those requirements. Consumers are not persuaded only by price or quality of a product. They will buy the benefits of your product and what that particular product or service can do for them. People buy products or services because they feel they would have better results if they buy it. You have to make customers believe that they feel better by purchasing the product or service you offer, comparing to other products or services on the market. Every customer has 3 choices in every sales offer. They can buy from you, from someone else, or not buy at all. Your job is to convince them that not only your product is better than not buying at all, but that your product or service is the best choice of all other choices on the market. Many people think that if they have a great product, the product will sell itself, and the rest of it will just fall into place. When you're in business, it's up to you to convince people to buy what you're selling, and if you choose not to do so, your business will not last on the market for a long time. There are many different reasons why people buy what you're selling. Thus, what you should always remember is that people buy for their reasons, not for yours. One of the most important parts of the selling process, a necessary step from which depends the entire sales process, is your ability to accurately identify customers' needs and emotions. If you cannot precisely identify those two, the entire process will fail. Check the lecture entitled How to Fulfill People's Needs to find out details of those needs, how you can fulfill them, and why appealing to people's emotions is so important. For now, we'll continue with an important lesson that you should note down. The quality is not enough to sell your products or services. A lot of people who are trying to sell something think that quality is everything. The main argument that they present to their customers is that they sell a high quality product or service, but the quality is not the main reason to buy everything. People buy things according to their emotions, but quality is a logic argument. And logic arguments such as features of your products does not persuade people to buy from you. Things that are more important than quality for your customers are benefits. You may be selling the highest quality laptops on the market, but if people only use them to sign in on Facebook or send an email, they won't consider spending so much money buying highest quality laptops, instead of cheap ones that will still fulfill their needs. So in this case, you cannot use your quality as an argument. However, there is an exception when you can use quality as an argument for your product. And this is when you're comparing price. You can tell people that you are charging more for your diet products because your products don't have side effects as other cheaper products may actually have. When you show people the features of your products or services, you should always explain the direct relationship between the higher price that they will pay and the more benefits that they will gain by paying this higher price. Therefore, the sales depends on how products, benefits fulfill customers' needs. But emotions will also play a crucial role on a selling process, which will go in details on the following lectures. Let me briefly explain to you what this course covers. It will show you how to make price look less important. It will show you why the quality of your products or services is not enough. We'll cover the reasons why people buy and why they do not buy your products or services. It will demonstrate you how to make people trust you more, and how to fulfill people's needs, how to create artificial needs. I know this sounds weird, but yes, this is what big companies actually do. They create artificial needs. Go through lectures to find out how they do it. This course also demonstrates you how to attract customers with word variation, how small changes in words can make drastic selling results. It teaches you practical techniques that make people buy your products or services. It shows you how to make people switch to your brand with strategies to change attitudes. It teaches you how to attract people to buy your products using proper colors while promoting your products, and shows you how to keep your customers coming back.